It is a summer vacation season, and a lot of people are heading to the beaches. But recently, in the waters off the country's south and east coasts, jellyfish have become a cause of concern.
That's right. They're venomous jellyfish, and they can get caught in gill nets and fish traps, becoming a nuisance for fishing. And if you do get stung by one, it does cause rash, pain, and in severe cases, even death. So it's not something to be taken lightly.
But in Korea, a new robot has been developed to help keep these jellyfish at bay. Let's first take a look at what this new device is.
In the past 2 years, the number of people injured by jellyfish has hit 4,000. with damages to the fishing industry reaching nearly $300 million. There have been a variety of efforts to reduce damages from these jellyfish over the years, but with an increase in numbers, trouble continues. That's why a research team in Korea has developed a new robot using cutting-edge technology to eradicate the problem.
This robot is a jellyfish terminator called JEROS. It has an unmanned GPS system, so once it receives input of where jellyfish have appeared, it moves to that area without guidance, and it pulverizes the jellyfish using the device attached on the bottom.
The Jellyfish Elimination Robotic Swarm, or JEROS, floats on the water and has a funnel-like net and pulverizer, which is suspended underneath the machine. Once a jellyfish enters the net, the propellers, developed by the team, remove the marine animal. The camera that recognizes objects can send images of the jellyfish swarms whenever and wherever in real time, allowing for easier detection of the creatures that appear close to the shore.
The camera can identify the image of a jellyfish and read where it is. Not only that, using this camera, it's able to only activate the propellers when jellyfish are around, saving energy for the device.
The Terminator robot is 1.2 meters wide and 1.5 meters long and can travel at 7 kilometers per hour. There is one leader robot and 2 follower robots that travel with it while maintaining the same distance and angle. They communicate with each other and are the first swarm robots to be developed in Korea that travel in a triangular form.
Using multiple machines and moving in swarms, they can cover larger areas, which make it much more effective than when you're using a boat or one machine. So that's why we decide to use swarm robots.
It's not easy to develop robots that can move in unison in a smooth S form, but the team developed a route planning technique which allows the follower robots to easily move with the leading machine by laying out a meticulous route and then assigning the mission. This is how the 3 can move as one.
Existing methods only used the calculation of distances, so it wasn't very effective. But the algorithm that we have developed takes into consideration swarm robots and robots spec the right path, so we can control the machines in a smoother and more stable way.
How do these robots identify the jellyfish and eliminate them? There's a smart buoy that detects and analyzes the jellyfish, and it sends this information to the base station and integrated prevention center. This predicts the movement of the jellyfish and assigns the mission to the robots on standby. With more jellyfish appearing in the summer, the extermination robots are expected to play a greater role.
And to tell us more about this jellyfish eliminator, or exterminator for that matter, JEROS, we're now joined by Professor Myung-hyun from the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering from KAIST. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning. Welcome to our show.
It's nice to be here.
All right, Professor, tell us how this actually works. Okay, we got a little sample from the video from our report, but how does it actually identify the jellyfish and just de-identify or stay away from getting the other fish?
Generally, the fishes can avoid this robot because they can move actively by detecting the sound of the motors and change of the current. But the jellyfishes are some kind of plankton, and they are not so active, and they are just moving around in the ocean current and the wave. So they can be inhaled by the robot when the robot moves forward fast. And we also use the camera in front of the robot so that the robot can discriminate the harmful jellyfish that we are targeting. And we are using the image processing technology to do such kind of task.
So this device kind of sucks it in, the
Yes.
jellyfish.
Yes.
So this device is effective on jellyfish, but could this technology be used on any other kind of species that are becoming a problem recently?
Yeah, the current system cannot be applied directly, but if the shredding part is redesigned in accordance with the new target object, and if we apply image processing and machine learning technologies, then we can target for the new kind of objects, and we can also exterminate other kind of harmful objects.
What was really interesting about this device is that it seems to move in a group, and there's a leader device and then two following devices.
It's like a marching band.
Right, it's pretty interesting in a triangle. Is there a reason why it needs to move in that way, and how effective is this?
Yes, you can easily understand if you imagine a group of ants that carries a big food together. So likewise, a group of robots can cooperate with each other to perform a task that is hard for a single robot. And so we can increase the efficiency and also gain the benefit of the swarm intelligence. So each robot is made in the same form for the swarm robots for the simplicity, and it makes a single robot simple and cost effective.
Interesting. And this device is on a trial period, I believe. And when can we see a full commercialization? And how effective do you think this will be in getting rid of the jellyfish?
Yes, from this September, this demonstration service will be started in the Masan Bay, located in south coast of Korea. And for this service, a company is making a new version of the robot with the size increased by 50% and with a better design. Once this service is proven to be useful, then the service area will be expanded to other places. And with the current system, we have limitation in recognizing the jellyfish location. So to mitigate this problem, we are also making a technology that uses the flying drones to recognize the distribution of the jellyfish. And this is prior to the dispatch of the robots. So we use the similar swarm formation control technology for oil spill protection. So if the oil is spilled by some accidents, then the swarm robots can cooperate with each other, and we can make the oil fences surrounding and protecting this oil spill area. This project is in progress right now.
Okay, it's
Right.
interesting that it comes in many different colors as
Yeah.
well, the swarm
It's like choose your
robots.
model, make, and also choose that
Yellow
color.
or red or
I want
black.
the one with the little pinstripes on there, right? Well, Professor,
Very
thank you very
interesting.
much.
Thank you so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.